Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT R19, and I'll show you how to turn off always on display feature with Movies Edge application. So now we just should unlock our device and go into the Movies Edge application. Here tap to the AOD screen. We got applied these terms. Now just go here to into the settings, and near the AOD mode you got the switcher. The AOD mode is enabled right now, and just to turn off the always on display, tap here once on the switcher, and now we'll just check. And as can you see, we just right now turn off the always on display on our device. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.